Well, hello everyone. I'm sorry, it's been such a long day. I think it's been such a long 2 days. I'm here with Farghini. We're gonna head to RDB right now to pick up the 911R. And we just had a double meeting for the first time ever. Farghini, how was your double meeting?
It was amazing. It was really amazing.
So Farghini went to have one meeting and I went to have the other meeting and we both finished at the same time. That's what she said. Now that we're done with work, we can head over to Vic's and what would you call picking up the 911R? Great task, great duty task.
It's still work. It's all work.
It's not work. That's pleasure. That's
So the pleasure?
There's a lot of pleasure.
Oh, that means I'm taking the rolls back.
Oh yeah. Oh! I just thought about traffic on the way back.
In a manual, high-performance vehicle.
Every now and then we do things without thinking about them, guys, and
Now and then.
all the time. But it's fine because it always ends up good.
This meeting that I had, if we go through with it, I think it's going to be an amazing thing that we do with crypto stuff.
Oh yeah.
And I think everyone's talking about it. And the reason this is even happening is for my own personal knowledge of how this stuff
Works.
How this stuff,
Yeah,
how
of
this
course.
stuff works. So I cannot wait for this.
Yeah, that one is really, really cool. The one I had was with a friend. I can't really say much of what I'll be doing with him, but
Let's just say you're going to have some muscle mass on you. Okay, I'm going to try to do this undercover, but that's a weird accessory on that guy's Prius. What is that? Like a mistletoe?
I think it's an antenna.
Is that a mobile mistletoe? It's like connected to the car.
So it's a mobile camel toe?
No. A mistletoe. You know about the mistletoe, right?
Yeah. Like if you're underneath one and then the video's nearby. Wait, what? I do know.
I wonder with all the sexual harassment stuff, how the mistletoe is doing this holiday season.
Oh, you know what? I actually haven't heard a single person
Mistletoe,
say,
yeah.
I made the mistletoe. No,
Those days are over.
Let me tell you this. Matt Lauer is gonna be
He fucked up for
forbidden
mistletoe.
from buying any mistletoe for the next couple of years.
Mistletoe, kiss under the mistletoe if you have permission slips. This is like Back to the Future.
Why?
We got an 80s.
Is that a 355? Or is it?
Yeah.
Sorry, I still have got really bored. So clearly, guys, we made it to RDB. Everyone's here, and when I say everyone's here, I mean everyone is here. You guys are so fucking famous now with your YouTube channel. We can't come in here anymore. Fucking content anymore.
You were being followed. It's not our fault.
Yeah.
We have nothing to do with this.
And no one respects the on-air light anymore? What the f?
No, we haven't put it on. That's the
haven't even put it
problem.
on.
That's the problem. And now the cameras and everything is in the cars. If we go out there, we're never gonna be able to finish this fucking vlog. By the way, we've been making like 3-minute vlogs. So I was like, no, today we're gonna go hard. I'm gonna get all the footage from the cars. There's no one on the street.
Yeah.
Good for us. Hey, we were able to come outside. That was nice. Thank you, Vic.
Good.
Thank you for being so famous.
now. We can breathe.
We really appreciate it.
You see my sunglasses?
I have an extra pair in the car. Do you want it?
No, I got a pair for him.
Are you really gonna wear those instead of my pair?
Hold on. But
Are you
these,
serious?
Are these yours? These are actually yours?
Yes.
Come on, I'm sorry, Alan. I love you, but Vic's glasses?
You
What do you
look
think?
like a pervert. Hang on, come this way. Come this way. No, why are you, what?
Let's go. Let's start.
He's not blocking any sun. I see you squinting still.
it's-
Quite a lot.
Yeah. Not only is it's also intensifying the sun right into my eyeballs, but it's all good. Let's go. Can I just show you one thing?
Absolutely.
Can I show the new RDB business card?
How incredible is that, by the way?
Can I just tell you what you could do with this?
What?
I'm gonna find a way to cut this, and then it becomes a comb.
For your beard?
Yeah.
Vic,
Help me cut this.
Vic, is anyone willing to invest $200 million in the R&D for these products?
Come on, how many
Yeah.
Rolls Royce business cards do you know that are also combs?
No, that's ridiculous. Yeah, that's awesome, Vic. That is really awesome.
This could be the official beard comb, RDB beard comb. I'm being serious. We're about to create an industry. Let's go.
It's not gonna work. I'm telling you, these things are gonna be like super.
Just fucking
Pointy?
Come on, let's do it. Be positive, Vic. I'm starting a new industry for you.
What? You're starting a new industry?
Beard combs.
Hang on, is he really gonna do that?
Yes.
Are you guys gonna do that right? Okay, well, fuck. God damn it. Sorry, everyone, I apologize.
Hey, if this works, could this be a giveaway? This one the prototype?
Yeah? If Vic is down, I mean, I know how much he loves his business cards.
metal, so it's getting really hot.
I see it too, by the way.
You know what comment someone made about Vic? They're like, Vic has so even keeled in his like tone and attitude that the statements that he can make. One is like, "Hey, will you marry me?" and "Get the fuck out of here." All in the same
lane. Yeah.
same tones. Owner-operator. Like, you got the owner doing this, homie.
That's right.
You got the
That's
owner
right.
doing this. And you know what that means, right? You know what that means, right?
What?
He would never waste an employee's time doing this. Wow.
Oh my God! Why do you have an SLK in here?
Why is there an SLK here?
Why not?
Oh, this was my first car in the United States. I had an SLK, and I think this is exactly the same. This is exactly the same model. It used to be red though, with chrome wheels. I know, but I didn't know any better, and that's all I could get, which was pretty dope, by the way, at that point. But I thought I was super cool in this and super manly, but turns out years and years and years of experience have taught me that that's completely the opposite of that. So not portraying the image that I thought. Is there a progress update?
I think he's doing the finishing touch work. We're witnessing. What?
I almost fell through there.
God, dude, we lose Vic. Oh, we lose Vic over a beer. By the way, do you agree we could be witnessing the beginnings of a brand new product from Vic?
Yeah.
A proper beer
And
cone?
the incredible thing is, it only takes them 30 minutes to make each.
I've never seen Vic this focused and passionate, and I think I know why.
Why?
I said, we can actually make this a business and make RDB cones, and then immediately his interest.
Ting!
There we go.
Hey!
Would you do us the honor of
Definitely
doing the
not, because it's very sharp right now.
Let me see.
I gotta maybe sand it down.
Let me be the judge of that. Hang on, Farghini. Hold this
okay.
for me, please. This will slice my face. Legitimately.
100%.
Hang on, but Vic, can I mess with your beard? I promise you I won't touch it.
Sure.
Okay? Oh, look. It does work. And also, your beard's so strong, this didn't go through shit. Wow.
Let me make it a little bit.
He's very interested. Run! Okay, so I think we're ready. You ready, Alejandro?
I'm ready.
Okay, I'm gonna do a pan. Ready?
Okay? Hit it. There it is.
Oh,
Damn.
holy shit.
It worked. It worked. It really worked.
Very nice.
It feels good, right?
I think this is the only comb that's ever worked on me.
No shit. Yeah, legit. You did it. Fuck.
Here, you can have the prototype.
No, we're gonna. Should we do a giveaway of the prototype? Please preserve. Do you have like a Ziploc bag? I want to preserve all the various minerals and oils. He actually is getting.
So this is gonna be the.
Guys, no one's gonna touch this. Seal it.
We're
Seal it.
gonna put the giveaway rules down in the description down below,
Okay.
so that you guys know what it is, rather than
Okay.
me coming up with them right now.
Great. But Vic, it's sealed, right?
It's sealed, airtight.
It's got the RDB.
Yeah, and I
Vic
put
beard.
some oil on today, so.
Oh, an authentic. Let me explain what this is. Authentic RDB metal business cards converted into a beard comb.
Well done, Farsad.
Does that sound good?
Hey, you know what's incredible?
Yeah.
It took a lot of brain power for you to be able to say that. I saw it.
Thank you.
As being someone who struggles with brain power,
Yes,
too,
thank you.
we need a new fuel pump. Oh, let me just show you the lineup that's at RDB today. The Joker Rolls Royce, which they're just doing some minor repair work on the back. You'll barely be able to notice it.
Hold on, look at this. Like with that computer control thing right there.
Yeah.
Go look at
What
the
about
brand
it?
that's on there. Go look.
Oh, I see it. BMW. Vic, your budget has gone up now that you have so many people here just waiting for you. Congratulations. You're repairing this Aventador. So they're fixing this Aventador that's been crashed, which is a Liberty Walk Aventador, you can tell by the sides. But unfortunately, it wasn't a collision on the front. And the Tonka truck, I don't know how much you guys know about that shit, but Vic is cutting the shit out of it, making it into a landaulet, but he's running into a few problems. And they're not problems really, it's just things he's gotta work around. Number one, the landaulet is 2 feet bigger than this, so the seats go before the axle. So you guys see the wheels sit right here, right underneath them. Look at those fucking humongous wheels. These are in the way to be able to put a big seat right here. So what they're doing, they're gonna have to create a brand new seat from scratch that's so luxurious that your balls are gonna tingle from the sun hitting them. And as you can tell, one of these parts is gonna be the soft up that opens from here, and then it'll lock all the way to here, Vic, or just back to here, and then you're putting the glass all the way here. Damn, that looks so sick.
Side airbag. Yep.
What is the side airbag?
It's the rear airbag. It's gonna still work. It's gonna still.
Oh wow, no,
Come
it's
on,
not.
no
Get
way.
out of here, Vic.
Most of it.
No, that's the end of the airbag.
Yeah, there's that one too. Yeah, you're right.
Cut the airbag.
You're right, Vic. Look at that. This is what airbags look like, guys, when they're not. Hang on, it's not gonna explode on my face if I touch it. Perfect.
But we hope it does.
Wow, this is crazy. And there's the other one right here. Look at all this shit. They explode and all of this comes off. Whoa. That's insane, right? Look at this. It's bare. Everything in here they have to redo afterwards. Holy shit.
Thank you for our new
We appreciate it. Thank you, Vic. Thank you.
very much.
And let me see there.
And by the way, can we just on camera, can we just say if you cut yourself with the prototype beard thing?
Can you say that? Can you please say that, Vic?
Disclaimer: if you cut yourself with the beard comb we just made, it's your own fucking problem.
Go fuck yourself.
Ooh, so she's ready? Look at that.
It's like a completely different car.
It looks brand new. That wrap was a great idea. Oh yeah. Thank you, Vic. Thank you. I'm so glad I'm selling it now. What a fucking idiot I am. Great, good for me. I just want to say why I don't put a lot of emotion when I'm selling something, when I'm getting rid of something. And the reason why I don't make a big deal out of it is because I hate looking back. I hate looking at the past. Once we die, and this is what I think, right? And this is what helps me get through this. Once we die, I'm not going to take anything with me. Everything I'm doing today is to enjoy on Earth. And whatever I experience, I enjoyed already, that already counts. So for me, selling this car doesn't mean anything more than already had it, done it, and now moving on. What's next? Because I want to experience as much as possible in my life and as many things as possible that I want to experience, not just random shit that happens to me. So it hurts, it sucks, but I don't get too hung up on anything anymore. I never look back. I don't even remember what happened this morning. It's always in the present, always in the now, and always looking ahead. I'm gonna leave you guys with that, and now I'm gonna go home and probably have breakfast right now, which is 6 p.m. No! Traffic is insane! Oh, fuck. In a manual. Perfect.
Can I show you something?
Yeah.
Okay, I just want to tell you this. Like, I know even though you're Hispanic, you're still brown, and you do still secrete certain levels of oils, and I just want you to know that's not my oils. I was only in the car for an hour. Those are your oils.
That is 100% your oils.
No,
I'm gonna go back on video and check
What?
this.